Good news to those who are chosen by Allah to change their lives before they pass away. And I've known of quite a few people who led a life very, very distant from Allah. That's why I personally don't judge a soul, because I don't know your ending. You probably would end much better than my ending. But I can tell you something. I know of people who were distanced from Allah, and suddenly something happened in their lives, and they became closer to Allah and closer to Allah and closer to Allah, and they passed on. Young age. It is definitely Allah who loved them for some reason to give them the opportunity to turn to Him in a way that when He took their soul away, they were upon the best relation they ever had with Allah. What a good death. May Allah grant us a goodness. Allahumma ja'al khayra ayyamina awakhiraha wa khayra a'malina khawatimaha. The Prophet ﷺ used to say, "Oh Allah, let the best of our days be the last of our days, and let the best of our deeds be the last of our deeds." That's why we tell people consistency is key. You want success in life, be consistent. Day in, day out. You do something, you make sure you are disciplined. Our bodies are created in a way that when you're consistent, the body itself will tell you, you need this, you need this. So much so that if it's consistency on a bad thing, the body will call for a drug or call for something bad or call you towards pornography or something, because you got your body used to something that was negative. It will keep on calling you towards it. When you get your body used to getting up in the morning for Salatul Fajr, trust me, tried and tested, and I've repeated this so many times, before the alarm, your eye is open. It's open. And you can actually turn that alarm off and say, "Subhanallah, 5 minutes remaining, look at me, I'm awake." Who woke you up? It's the system of Allah and the mercy of Allah that you got up. That's what it is. That's the body. So when you get your body used to something, it gets used to it. Learn to do the right thing. You'll enjoy.